We worked on dominoes and the three numbers they represent yesterday to help us to show how those three numbers are related in addition and subtraction facts to make a fact family. Do you see three numbers on the domino? 6, 4, and 10 as the total? Do you see those three numbers in the fact family with addition and subtraction? Do you see those three numbers on this fact triangle? 6, 4, and 10. And do you see the fact family ideas of building addition and subtraction facts? Yes, these are all tools for us to use to solve and to practice our addition and subtraction facts. Today, mathematicians, we're going to practice our addition and subtraction facts with fact triangles so that we can see how the three numbers are related with addition and subtraction. And by knowing those, we can know our facts quicker, explain them, and even find for unknowns. For example, we are going to put the three numbers that go together on the triangle. The top of the triangle, or the top vertices, has a dot, and that means the largest number, or the sum, or the total of the three numbers goes up here. So it's the largest number because it's the total or the sum of the other two. And then these are the two numbers that go together to make 10. You're right, it could be different numbers, couldn't it? But for this fact triangle, we're going to say if we use 7, the other related number has to be 3. It could be 6 and 4. You're right, it was on this one. Or 5 and 5. But once we decide the three numbers that we do want to use that are related with addition and subtraction, we'll stick with those. And we'll write fact families the way we did in yesterday's lesson, where we start with the largest number minus one part equals the other. And then we start with that number again, minus 7 equals 3. And then we do the addition by saying 7 plus 3 equals 10. Or we start over here and say 3 plus 7 equals 10. You might want to practice that a little bit on your own by just thinking about how to use the fact triangle, starting at the top for 2 subtraction because the numbers get smaller, and starting at the bottom and using addition to get to the larger number on top. Once you get that down, you can start thinking about what if you covered a side, or what if it was an unknown. Your fact family would look like this. 6 plus a question mark equals 9, and the question mark plus 6 equals 9. Starting at the top, we use subtraction. 9 minus a question mark equals 6, and 9 minus 6 equals that question mark. This is where fact families and fact triangles and knowing three related numbers can help us to solve for something we're not given, or something unknown, or something that's a question mark. We can use addition or subtraction, you're right. We could add 6 plus something equals 9. Well, 6 plus 7, 8, 9. 6 plus 3 equals 9. That would make sense. 3 plus 6 equals 9. Or let's check it with the subtraction. 9 minus a number equals 6. 9, 8, 7, 6. If I hop back 3, I land on 6. Or I could take away 9 minus 6, and I would get 3. So this fact kind of turns out to be this fact family. And I could use the addition or the subtraction to help me find that unknown that was over here. Let's practice that together. If I cover this, it becomes that question mark. Think of it maybe with these sentence starters. I can see, what two numbers do you see? 12 and 5. So I can make an addition or a subtraction fact. If you see 12 and 5 and you want to go to a lower number than that 12, would you subtract or add? Subtract, because 7 is smaller than 12. And when we subtract, we end up on a smaller or less number. Yes, I can see 12 and 5, so I can make a subtraction fact. The fact is 12 minus 5 equals 7. Let's try it again. I'll cover this one. I can see, hopefully you said 5 and 7. So I can make what kind of fact? Addition or subtraction? Well, if I want a larger number or a total of them, I would use addition. I can see 5 and 7. So I can make an addition fact. The fact is 5 plus 7 equals 12, or you could say 7 plus 5 equals 12 because of the turnaround rule. Today, mathematicians, we're going to practice with the three numbers that are related for a fact family and what we know about fact families to help us understand and know our facts for addition and subtraction even better. And we'll do that by putting it on a fact triangle, covering a corner, and talking about what we can see. You can use these sentence starters or explain it in your own words. Off you go.